Ready? Go. Shit. No, Anna, on your dress.
You idiot.
Fuck.
You...
Stop laughing at me.
No. You smeared it everywhere. Yeah, yeah. We're all good. We're all good.
Okay, so.
I gotta back up for
Okay, I don't need my cleavage showing, so can you?
It's not focusing on anything, babe. Okay.
Is it focused?
Yeah. She's gonna give it back. This time, take it.
Down here? All the way down.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my hand out and then you're gonna
I need your hand there to focus.
You said you were done. This is crap. Okay, it's completely out of focus the entire time. So Avery, come here, hon. God, she's fast as shit. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, careful.
Yeah, let me back up further. Go stand right there, though, Avery. My voice got high. Yes. Walk forward 1/2 a step, Chris. Oh. Oh, it got me.
I'll do.
Okay.
This.
I mean, you were perfect the way you were, but that's fine too. Can you pull my tank top down?
Tank top down, dress up.
Okay, you're fucking everything up right now.
I am?
Yes.
Okay. Put the damn sucker down or whatever that is.
That looks stupid.
No.
The end of that where you kind of went like you're like, yeah, that was good. I completely inhaled that one. Oh no. That was coming out of my lungs. And I was saying, wait till I focus. You're like, no. Okay. Is this getting my chin? Like, is this a good angle? Try and think of when you're killing kids for life. Like evil smirks, yeah, yes. Where'd that go? He's not on the couch? He's probably killing himself. If he's not on the couch, the only other option is he's killing himself.
I mean, obviously.
Can't wait for this video, I'm gonna throw up. I'm surprised your makeup still looks exactly like it did. Does it? Yeah. It took me 16 years to put on. It really took you like 8 hours. Nope, that's not gonna work because your neck is completely like blotch painted. Yeah. As long as you keep your fur like that.
Just tuck it back. Just tuck it back.
Like that? Yeah, not like that. She's like, yeah, I'll give you it.
That shot looks perfect.
My teeth look brown in this white makeup.
Oh,
Smile,
no.
babe. Even though they're not even that yellow in like real life, they're yellow as dick on this.
Are you thinking or are you giving me face?
Thinking. I can't see the color.
That makes the glitters Steve.
Yeah, I'm blind. Hang on. Just imagine that you killed a bunch of kids and you liked it. I'm so not confident in myself. I could never imagine sitting and making faces and doing like. I can't see myself, so it makes it so much less annoying because like I'm literally like I feel no cringe because I have no idea that you're even here.
Yeah.
Plus I FaceTime with Alex all day and this is literally 99% of what he does. I know, I'm thinking of him.
With his cheekbones?
Yeah. Do I didn't have like a black colored light? Why does it always turn out like glow? You can't be a black. Oh, duh. I'm an idiot. Literally black is the absence
It's
of light.
night.
You're Katie. Look how evil. Oh my god. It's so demonic. I don't like it. Put it.
Stop it. Stop it again.
I can't stop, won't stop. I am blind. Can you do the smoke in the red? Smoke in the red. That's the name of my new band.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow. It looks stupid? No, it looks awesome.
Yeah, we're saying wow because it looks fucking terrible. Oh my gosh, wow.
I'm literally blinded by the light. Doesn't look cool, huh? Didn't come out of your mouth, it only came out of your nose. Oh, it came out of my nose?
Yeah. All of it came out of your nose.
I wondered where it went. Yes.
Even just like
You're gonna feel so good when you get those contacts out of your eyes. You have no idea. That motion just cringes my soul. I hate it.
You eat children for lunch. You could kill someone with a just snap of your fingers.
Images. Yeah, it's gonna go like blink. Yeah. Blink. It's not gonna be like. You'll do it to the beat.
Like not straight at me, but like, yeah, like right there.
Really try and imagine like you felt like shit and now you're alive. I'd be like, are you sleeping? That's probably what I'd really do. You can see the hair sitting next to you on the ground. Move that shit.
Yes.
No way. Oh my god, I feel like a fucking witch and I love it.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, that is so cool. That shit is so cool. Is that focus? Oh, it's bubbling. Double toilet trouble. Ew, I feel like it's just gonna burst.
Let me like touch it.
No. Yeah. Oh, you moved your hand out of screen, but.
Shit.
Okay, fuck tutorial. I'm just gonna do this shit forever. I'm dropping out. I just want to be a real witch.
Yeah.
Kristi is having way too much fun with this. Ooh. Aww. Okay, just don't let it fall in the bathtub and electrocute her. That's a good idea.
Yeah. Hey, help!
No one's helping nobody. Oh no! Ave.
Okay, wait. Milk went up my nose.
No!
Oh no.
Here, I'll give you a piece of... Can't fucking do that. Here, TT. Here, TT. Here.
Honey.
You're so sweet, Ave.
So cute.
Your look on your face right before you went down was very
Yeah.
scared too, like, oh crap.
I'm dead.
You probably should take a shower. Is that a dumb suggestion?
Don't forget, if you guys have not seen the video yet, go click on that. The link will be in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to go to NYXFaceAwards.com and vote. Voting ends on Friday, and you can vote 3 times per email per day. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love the video, and I hope you guys like these outtakes, and I will see you at my next video.